To me, the best way to understand a country is by getting to know its people. I've stayed in Serbia for only 4 days, but I've already made many new friends. Whether they're old or young, and whether they speak English or not, everyone is so welcoming and sincere. Some invited me for a friendly ping pong match. Some gave me hugs, high fives, and hearts. And some suggested places of interest to visit. Walking on the streets of Belgrade, I feel a warm welcome for every Chinese visitor, guest, and resident in Serbia. Now, let's hear what the locals say about the China-Serbia friendship. What do you feel about the relations between China and Serbia?
I think that is a strong relationship. China helped Serbia to have a progress in the future, in the structure relations and cultural relations, technical relations. China support Serbian people, and we're grateful about that. Well, I wanted that our relationship be more strong.
I'm hoping for a cultural exchange. I wish we get the opportunity to learn something about Chinese culture because I think it's really interesting. I hope I will make some Chinese friends maybe.
We have a lot of your people living here, working here. A lot of your company are here now, so also it's good that we don't need visa to visit your country, China. Serbia and China is very good friends. Welcome.
I would like to go to travel to China because I think it's like another level of everything. So I have that on my to-do list. My company is an international company and we have offices in China also. And I expect that our friendship and relationship will be so much stronger than it is now. So it will be like a win-win situation for China and Serbia.